Hi and welcome to Easy English with Rosanna Roy on Bookmark Tutorials. Today's lesson is on articles. You guys would already know that English has three articles: a, and the. In this video, we will be looking at how and where to use them. Before we begin the video, let me remind you guys again to subscribe to Bookmark Tutorials. Here we go. What are articles? Basically, articles are special adjectives. Like adjectives, they identify or modify a noun. That is their function. We know that English has three articles: a, an, and the. Let's see what they do. The article a is used along with nouns which begin with consonant sounds. On the other hand, the article an is used along with nouns which begin with vowel sounds. For example, Dr. Thompson is an oceanographer. I need to buy a charging cable. There are exceptions to this rule, such as an hour, a university, a European, and so on. This is because here, even though the word hour starts with an H, it is pronounced as R, giving a vowel sound in the beginning. Same is the case with university. Though it starts with a vowel sound, it's pronounced as U. We know that a and an are called as indefinite articles, and the is the definite article. Articles a and an are used when the noun is not specific and used in a general sense. Each indefinite article also has specific rules for its use in a sentence. At the same time, the definite article the is used when the noun is either singular or plural and has already been identified. Let's look at some examples on how to use them. I have given a chart here. Let's see some examples. I have a cat. Here we have a singular countable noun which is a cat. Countable nouns are literally the nouns you can count, like cat or dog or the books you have, while uncountable nouns are things like water, oil, sugar, or abstract concepts like happiness. These are uncountable nouns. Can I have an omelette? Here again we have a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. Hence we have used the article an. Let's move on to plural countable nouns. The students submitted their assignments. We are talking about a specific group here. Notice the use of the here. Some students submitted their assignment. Some is not an article. It's just used here because we're not clear about the exact number of students. That is one way of using plural countable nouns. In the case of uncountable nouns, we either use the or we don't use any article. For example, he put sugar in his tea and stirred it. She dissolved the sugar in the tea. We didn't use any article in the first sentence. But why did we use the in the second sentence? Let's find out. The articles a and an are used with unknown things or people, or when you are first introducing something in a conversation, whereas the is used with known things or people. That is, it is used once you have already introduced the thing into your conversation. Let's look at examples. I have an orchid in my garden. The flowers are lovely. Notice that the first sentence makes use of the article an, whereas the second sentence makes use of the article the. Because in the first sentence you are just mentioning that you have an orchid plant in your garden. Since you already introduced the plant, in the second sentence article the is used because the listener already knows which flowers you're talking about. Another example. I was at a park with my friend. We saw a man feeding pigeons. My friend told me that the man comes to the park every day just to feed the pigeons. We use a or an with non-specific things or people, whereas we use the with specific things or people. Let's see examples. An athlete, an umbrella. These can be any athlete, any umbrella. But when we say the road or the tree, we mean a specific road or a specific tree, probably something that you and the person you are talking to can see right now. Similarly, when we say the manager, we are talking about a specific person who holds the position of manager. When we say, please pass me a pen, we mean any pen, because any pen would do, and we do not have any specific pen in mind. On the other hand, if we say, please pass me the pen, that indicates a specific pen. I already mentioned that we don't use articles in certain contexts. We can look at some examples. Generalized statements such as dolphins are intelligent, or with uncountable nouns. Look at the examples. I need to buy milk. Can I have your attention, please? We don't use articles with proper nouns, like names of people and places. For example, Ria is working. I want to visit Paris. It's Friday. But there are some exceptions to this rule. We say the USA, the Himalayas, the Caribbean, etc. This is because the article is already added to their name. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any queries regarding the topic, do share them in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Bookmark Tutorials so that you can stay updated on our content. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.